had a very large medical facility. So this is a probably a 15,000 endpoint, 30 location plus facility. They were interested in our platform. We said, okay, we're pretty good on security. So, we got a guy, we got a good IT staff. I just want that. I want to be able to sleep good at night. So great. That's perfect for us, man. We can help you do that. So we put our platform in. Literally within 20 minutes, we start seeing some odd. It's like, okay, wait a minute. This is odd. They supposedly have great antivirus and all this stuff. But we noticed on one machine, and then from that machine, we were able to take different telemetry that it was doing and run a filter. And then we found 10 more machines. And in the end, we found 35 machines that were all infected with Emotet. That they had no idea. They were literally a week away from a successful ransomware event. They had already tried and got into Active Directory. They didn't have elevated privileges yet, but they were working on that. They had no idea. So what happened? So how did that happen? So they said, hey, they have an antivirus. I won't say which one it is. We have it managed. We know everything it's on. So every single machine we found was something that just got missed. It was like, hey, it missed its updates and we didn't see that, or we forgot to install it, so it wasn't reporting it. So we just didn't know it was there. Again, they didn't have the knowledge of all the things that are supposed to be on their network. So these machines that were unmanaged and didn't have some kind of antivirus protection were just out there in the wild. And they're moving them from place to place. So they would take this, it was mostly laptops, take them over this place. Now they go to this other network and plug it in, and guess what they're doing? They're just propagating everywhere, right? Mm-hmm. So what we were able to do is go, okay, great. So now we got this. We can block the communication off. You can get those machines off. They got them cleaned up, but now we have to wait, right? Because now they've had this active infection. We need to keep monitoring this over some period of time. Now they ended up buying the solution, which is good. And thank God they did, because literally we kept detecting new infections for the next 4.5, 5 weeks. So these were ones that, because realize that not all of these things, once they're kind of phoning home, they kind of do their things, but sometimes they'll lay dormant for a very long time before they start communicating out and showing those indicators. But we were able to catch them right away, get them off the network, and then away you go. So, that's one of those things. Like, again, they were so close to having a really bad day, but by having the right, monitoring instrumentation, in there, they were able to thwart that. It was very lucky on their part.
A very bad day. That's what Greg and his team prevented for this 15,000 endpoint, 30 location medical practice.